Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from this deck and few cards from the other deck. So I'll be giving your oracle message at last, guys. So that card will answer any deep questions that you have regarding your career situation or your relationship, guys. So we'll be picking one card from the wisdom oracle deck. So I'll be picking few cards from this deck also, guys, and your oracle deck card. Virgos, we'll start the reading now, guys. These are for your general energies. The devil in reverse, queen of swords, pentacles in reverse, with these cards, Virgos, the energy is that, guys, you are facing some difficulties because of some habits. Something is stressing you and you are uh, trying to resolve all that with your addictions, guys. Maybe you are taking up some habits that are not good, that are not healthy. You are turning to it because you are feeling some sadness, some kind of separation, or from your person, or in your job you may feel embarrassments because of some failures in your work situation, and you're taking to these addictions to make yourself happy, to turn away from that grief. So something is stressing you, really, guys. Something is troubling you, guys. That is what I see here, and you may be getting some news, some important news, and you are hiding your feelings. You are hiding behind a happy face. You are not open, you are not coming out openly with your troubles. So whatever you are facing, you are keeping it to yourself. That is also the energy here, guys. You are not coming out with the truth. So maybe some weakness is there. Maybe some of y'all, you may be suffering from some illness, something minor, guys. That is also the energy here. Let us see what are these cards. Dog. This may relate to your relationship, guys. Sun. Choices. This is a very positive card, guys. And maybe you are with this card, I feel that you are trying to overcome these addictions or habits, but you are unable to. So you are relying on your person for help to overcome these addictions, or you may be taking their suggestions regarding the situation. You may be discussing with them. That is also what I see here. This person you are with, they are very loyal to you, trustworthy, and they are devoted to you. They love you a lot. Maybe this situation may be because of certain bad choices that you have made in your life, guys, because of your work situation. Some bad choice on your part, that is the reason for these troubles. Things are not going as you had expected. You would have faced some losses, so you are really stressed because of that, and you are turning towards some addictions. But this person, your person, they are very much in love with you. They want to help you, so they are coming towards you to help you out of these addictions, guys. That is what I see here, and you may be able to overcome that. This is a very positive card, guys. So whatever the negative energy that we were talking about, this addictions and stress, sadness, something because of your work situation, so you may be able to overcome that. That is what I see here, guys. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance for us, Virgos. So this card will answer all that questions you have deeply about your relationship or this person, guys. All that glitters. So the oracle's guidance message for us Virgos is that, guys, we need to go beyond the superficial. So maybe sometimes we were speaking about the mask we wear to hide our feelings, the true feelings what we have. So we are doing that not to affect others. So there are people in our situation, and there may be people in our situation who are hiding their true faces, maybe just to get into our good books. So we need to be aware of that. We need to avoid those sparkly things of the outside. And when all that is gone, what will we choose? Will we choose the object or the person? So we should understand what is true. We should recognize what is the truth and see beyond that mask, see beyond that superficial layer, whatever is glittering. So in our relationship also, sometimes we go for those things that are very appealing. So real person is hidden in that, guys. So when we value somebody because of their glitz and glamour, that will not work for a long time, guys. You have to look past that person, look for the essence of that person. Only when you connect with that essence, you will know the truth, and you will know what is the authentic thing that is glittering with them. We should not go for all their outside things, superficial things, maybe for their looks or maybe for their possessions. So instead of that, you should see their heart, and when you connect heart to heart, only then your relationship will bloom to something very deep and spiritual, guys. And even in your work situation, you need not feel jealous about the people who are doing well, guys. You do not compare yourself with them. So all you see is their surface achievements, whatever they are showing out, but deep down they would have struggled a lot to reach that place. So even you will get your achievements, whatever it is, based on your efforts and your path, whatever you are doing, you will get your shiny moment. So you should think that all that is glittering, it may not be the goal for you. So what is yours will always be, guys. So you need not feel jealous or tempted by other people's success. So you need to work for your own success. That is what is the oracle's guidance here, guys. And you need to be aware of the truth in any situation. So some wonderful things may be there outside, but inside, in that situation or with that person, things may not be so good. So you need to be aware of that. So that is the oracle's guidance for us, Virgos. So that is the reading, guys. Maybe the stress, maybe because you want to portray yourself in a different way, but you need to go for the truth, guys. That may be the reason for stress, and that may be the reason for your addictions. That is what I see here. So that is the reading for you all, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Virgos. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.